Hi folks, this is Colin with Platinum Copier Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install your Sharp print drivers. First, navigate to platinumcopiers.com in a web browser, and then under Resources, click on Print Drivers. On the next page you'll see there's 3 download buttons. Depending on your model is which button you'll click. So on the BP models, click this button. For the MX models that end in a 1, you'll click this one, and for MX models that end in a 0, you'll click here. For the purposes of this demonstration, I have a BP plugged in, so I'm going to use that. Click the download button. You'll notice that will throw a file into your downloads, and go ahead and execute that once it's done downloading. On these, you can leave everything as the default. Just click next. It will extract the files and then start a driver executable. For most, we can just do a standard installation. At this point, it's going to search the network and find all the available devices that match the model that you downloaded. If it comes up with more than one result, I recommend choosing the one with the IP address right here. Go ahead and click next and leave this run the auto configuration checked. I'll show you what that does in a moment. Click next. You'll see it setting up the devices. Once it's done, there's a few other things that I like to do. You can go ahead and print a test page, but go ahead and click finish, and then click in your search bar and type control and open the control panel. Once this is open, we want to go to view devices and printers, and then printers and scanners, and then we want to find the one that we just installed and go to printer properties. Now there's a couple of things here that I like to typically do. One is the driver is defaulted to black and white and double-sided by default. So I like to go to the Advanced tab and click Printing Defaults. Change the two-sided printing to none and change the color mode to black and white. And go ahead and apply that. Now if you have to enter a code at the copier to use it to make copies or scan, go to the Job Handling tab, change the authentication to user number, and put your 5-digit code in here and click apply. Now one other spot under general preferences, we want to make the same changes that we made under the defaults. So set the two-sided printing to none, the color mode to black and white, and authentication to user number with our user number entered here. And once you've done that, you should be able to print. You'll have to select manually when you want to print in color, but other than that, you should be good to go.